Special thanks to our friends over at AUVON who were nice enough to send us this Dusk to Dawn night light. This is a 4-pack. Not a lot of info around the sides, just the sticker, plug-in LED 4-pack. Let's open this on up and take a look at it here. Shouldn't be much inside, but 4 Dusk till Dawn lights. And there they are. So a nice little instruction guide here. Nice and helpful. And here are the lights. So you can see they just plug directly into the outlet. You can turn the brightness up and down right here. And this is basically like a snooze button. And this is your little sensor that knows whether or not it's nighttime or daytime. The light does come out from right here in the front. And other than that, a very nice little product. So we're gonna go take one of these, put it up somewhere, and show you the brightness of it. So here's our AUVON light, little power button over there, and the brightness up and down over here. Now it's plugged into the wall, and as soon as this sensor sees that it's dark in here, we'll cut the light on. I'm gonna cut the lights to the restroom, and you see it instantly cut on. Now if I press this button over here, I can take it to the lowest brightness, which that is the lowest brightness. And if I go up, there's the highest brightness. So that's actually pretty bright for a restroom. Really, we've liked having this because normally this door's open and this gives us like a little bit of a light into the hallway, and it's just fully automatic. So that part's just awesome. And then of course, I'll flip this light on in just a moment. Once the sensor sees that there's light in here, it then cuts the light off. Like so. So thanks again to our friends at AUVON who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.